Following the unanimous verdict of the Supreme Court that nullified the elections of all candidates of the All Progressive Congress in Zamfara State in the 2019 general elections, the National Coordinator, Center for the Protection of Rights of the Citizens, Ambassador Muhammad Ahmad, who was represented by Romanus Azubike, stressed on the need for the Supreme Court to reconsider its judgment on the 2019 general elections in Zamfara State.
At this point, I would like to state that during the election, APC fielded a candidate, Mukhtar Idris, in the governorship election who pulled 534,541 votes to defeat his closest challenger, Bello Matawale, who pulled 189,452 votes, according to the result declared by INEC. If the APC does not field a candidate during the election, when does the APC candidate pull the vote from? We are of the view that the Supreme Court should consider the voters who came out en masse to vote for APC. I would like to categorically state that ruling against the wishes of the masses is uncalled and will be perceived as a politically motivated judgment and also be termed by the people as a Supreme Court INEC. If the votes they cast for APC in governorship, National Assembly and State Assembly election in Zamfara State does not count, we are deeply concerned by the wishes of the people of Zamfara State who voted for APC in all the elections in the state as they are crying for the return of their mandate. Also, the ruling of all of Sokoto State appeal was defective because the court erred in granting relief, which we are prayed consequent upon the jurisdiction of the State High Court on election matters. We believe that since the appeal court ruled that the State High Court don't have such jurisdiction on such judgment, it should not have gone ahead to avoid the order of the State Court. We pray the Lordship to review the rulings as being a court of record, set it aside and give justice to the teeming masses who come out to vote for the APC candidates in the said election.
Azubike further noted that the Supreme Court, which is the apex, is saddled with the responsibility of dispensing justice without fear or favor, and therefore charged the Supreme Court juries to properly review its earlier verdict.
We also advise the justice of the Supreme Court not to be deterred on the commitment to dispense justice to all without fear or favor for the greater good for humanity. We want to state that the Supreme Court has the power to review its earlier decision based on the submission of the Justice Chukwudefo Okuta and other referencing clauses of the law. We want to state unequivocally that over the years, the Supreme Court has been the highest court of the land and has proven itself beyond a reasonable doubt. Its tenacity to serve as the last hope for a common man, and as such deserve more respect from Nigerians and in particular the People's Democratic Party.
Recall that the Chief Justice of Nigeria, Justice Tanko Muhammad, in the judgment delivered by Justice Paul Adamu, ordered candidates of other political parties that came second to take over as the duly elected contestants.